Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Abby here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this Waterwave-ish unit. If you guys want to see how I installed this unit, just keep on watching. So I did do the bald cap method off camera just to save some time. Right now I'm just positioning my wig so I can cut off the ear tabs. Then I'm going to be sectioning off some hair at the front. Usually I guess people would use this for baby hairs because I'm going to be using the Got to Be glue to stick this wig on my forehead. So I'm going to be doing 2 layers of the Got to Be glue freeze spray, and I'm blow drying it on cool. I'm going to give you guys a little background on this hair because it pissed me off, but the hair is 2 different textures. I don't know who's lying. I don't know if it's the bundles, I don't know if it's the frontal, but somebody's not Waterwave because they don't match. So I did make it work eventually. Now I'm taking some scissors, cutting 3 slits on the lace. 2 of them are going to be I guess on the arch of my eyebrows, and 1 is in the middle. Then I'll be taking a razor and cutting off the lace. Now I'm going back in with some more Got to Be glued just to lay down those little laces that are sticking up. After cutting off all the lace, I'm going in with my hot comb. If you don't have a hot comb and you wear wigs or anything with a lace, you should seriously get one. It will change your life, I promise you. And then the ghetto started happening over here. I had to use the end of a rat tail comb because they always break. For some reason, they don't last that long with me. And then I'm going in with the Care wax stick. And again, going in with the hot comb. It will get your hair real flat. In my opinion, it's way better than molding your hair because ain't nobody got time to be sitting there waiting. Now it's baby hair time, so I'm going to be taking 2 sections on each side of my head. That's going to be where my baby hairs will be, and I think the easiest way to start off with baby hairs is cut the hair long first and see how it looks and then go back in, which is what I did. To mold my baby hairs, I'm going to be using the Nairobi mousse. I love that mousse so much. I'm also going to be using it to be styling my hair as well. I'm now going in with a wrap strip and an elastic band to further melt the lace, and I'm doing that because I don't want those lines to leave any marks on my head, because the last time when I used the elastic band by itself, it left those lines and I had to reinstall my hair again. Can you guys see the difference in texture? Oh my god, it's making me cringe. Normally I don't use anything but water on my curly hair, but for this one, because I had to manipulate it, I had to use mousse, a serum, and water, and a brush. Also, another thing that happened is I blew a fuse in my house, so I didn't get to show you how this looked like right after I finished filming this. So the next clip that you're gonna see is the day after, and I didn't really do anything different to the hair. I think I added more water and more mousse. That's about it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one.